Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026. So this works on iOS and Android, so I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So you get a ton of settings. You get a joystick where you can walk around the Pokemon world from your house. You get a bar on the right side of the screen that's going to show you all the nearby Pokemon. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we got all the settings in here. So we have the joystick, can actually change the speed our character walks, which is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it, so let's get straight into the video. So another one is the speed hack. You can actually change your character's speed, which is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we got all the settings. Before we start the video though, we do need to know our trainer code, guys. So make sure you guys copy that. So now I'm going to show you the website. So the website we're going to go to is called spooferlab.com. So once you're on the website, guys, you're going to see like a lot of information, but you just want to press the button that says inject spoofer now, and it's going to download straight onto your device. So as you can see, I'm just going to press that inject spoofer now. So at this point, it's probably going to ask for the trainer code and then for your platform. So let me just put that in right here, as you can see. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press continue. Now there might be a high traffic verification due to high traffic, but I already did it. But I just wanted to let you guys know. So as you can see, we're going to select our edition. I'm going to go ahead and press continue. And now it's just going to load right here. So we'll just give it a second to go ahead and load up, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. All right, so let's just give it a second. You can see it says checking account. All right, so I'm just going to wait for this to load. So I'm just going to give it a second, as you can see. All right, injection complete. So now it says ready to import. So I'm just going to press I'm not a robot. And since I already did the verification, I should be all set. So let's see if it goes through. So I'm just going to go ahead and press it again because it says failed. And let's see if this works. So as you can see, it should go through. So let's see if it goes through. And there we go, guys. Import successful. So this is super cool. So be sure to try it out, guys. That's how to get it onto your device. So you get all the settings. You get the joystick. There's favorites, which is huge cities full of Pokemon. You can actually go ahead and teleport to these, which is super cool. So yeah, it's awesome. So as you can see, I just teleported. So that is crazy, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. There's also enhanced throw. This gives you a 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right, which is really cool. So I'm going to see you later and peace out.